Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. I am here to share with you the most embarrassing, the most cringy Italian language fail I have ever perpetrated on the human race. And it was bad. Okay, so let me set this up. I will tell you that I sort of had a go-to cheat hack kind of thing where I would take an Italian noun and I would put, a verb ending, A-R-E, E-R-E, I-R-E on the end of that noun and turn it into a verb. Don't do that. Don't do that. This one instance is why you don't do that. So yesterday we were out filming Chasing La Bella Vita. We have some final scenes to film and it's going to be all filmed and ready. And I have two Italian actors and I'm supposed to be sweeping downstairs. And they come up to the shop and they come in. And so I'm also directing this. So I'm telling them, look, you guys come around the corner and you see me and I'm sweeping. Okay, those of you who know Italian and Italian vernacular know where this is going and you're probably snickering wildly right now. I'm not going to tell you what it means because I was mortified when I found out. And thank God for Mario because he's very sweetly told me in nice words, but I Googled it later. Oh, it's not one of these, no, this is like, oh my God, I can't go out of the house for 2 days. So anyway, I took the word scopa, broom, and I turned it into a verb. Now, if you want to find out what it means, put scopa in there, put A-R-E on the end in your Google Translate. Be warned, it's highly vulgar. Now, it's not like I was at the dinner table or in a kitchen with somebody that is an intimate. I was outside in front of the comune. And I said this, and not only did the air get sucked out of a room if I was in it, it got sucked out of the whole village. Luca, our two lead actors, Luca and Mario, were just like, oh, Christina, no, that's not what that means. And I was like, what did I just say? Oh, I was mortified. So don't take an Italian noun and put a verb ending on the end. If you do that, Google it and make sure it's correct, because you sure as heck don't want to be in the position I was in yesterday. Put in the comments after you Google it what your reaction is. Don't put anything, vulgar down there, but let me know what you think. See you guys.